Hi, I'm Luann Weeks. A couple of weeks ago I created Fat Cat, and you can see where I got my inspiration from. I put it in a small local gallery and it sold really fast. That was really fun. So I decided I wanted to make another one, and at the same time share the process with you. Here's my process. Everybody's a little different, but I normally start with an idea and come up with a design like I did for Fat Cat. Then I decide if it's going to go indoor or outdoor, and from there I choose my background adhesives. Then I pull my materials, and I may have an idea about grout color, but I usually figure it out after it's all done. So the first thing I did was choose this skew backer as my substrate, because Fat Cat's going to be an art piece that can hang outdoors. Skew backers are free-form shapes that are made from Wheatie board and are perfect for outdoor and wet areas. And I'm going to be using gray thin set for my adhesive, because thin set's essential for outdoor and wet areas, and I'll also be using sanded grout. There is some initial preparation with a skew backer, such as install your hanging system, sand any edges that need it, and draw your pattern on. I've done these things already to save time, but don't worry. There is a link on the webpage to a video demonstrating all of this. This is the basic design and materials I've chosen. I'm going to use a blend of Nippon glass, Kismet tiles, and some Venetian gold. And I like to lay them out beside each other to make sure that I like my color palette. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using thin set as my adhesive since this is going to go outside. I prefer using the powdered thin set, and I've already mixed some up to a smooth peanut butter consistency. That's very important. For small projects, I use a small plastic throwaway cup and some wooden sticks to mix it with. And then when I'm done, or I have to take a break, I'll just toss the cup and start fresh. I always like to do the eyes and the nose first. I think it's a good starting place. And I like to butter the backs of each tessera as I go. It doesn't cover your pattern up that way, and it keeps things a little cleaner. Now I'm going to give him a fancy collar using Venetian gold and a heart-shaped pennant that I cut out of Nippon glass. I like to do all the special elements at the beginning, and then I come back and I'll fill in all around them. Well, the eyes and the special elements are now finished, so I'm going to start filling in the rest of this eclectic little Fat Cat with Kismet tiles and Nippon glass. I'm going to finish the rest of Fat Cat, and in the next episode we'll grout and clean him up and get him ready for the gallery. Hope you'll join me.